Henri Robin, 1811–1874. Born Henrik Joseph Donckel, was a French illusionist. Born in Hazebrouck, in the early 1850s. He performed at Windsor Castle, at the request of Queen Victoria. In 1861, he became the first illusionist to offer a full program of magic at Egyptian Hall in London. Between 1862 and 1869, he managed a theatre in the Boulevard du Temple, Paris. His most well-known illusion in these years was the Medium of Inkerman, in which a drum on stage was apparently struck by an unseen spirit. In response to questions from the audience,